Today we're going to discuss ELCO's amazing oak system. This is an incredible 1-inch aperture, affordable spec grade system, delivering more light than the average MR16 bulb. Light your whole room with the amazing oak family. The oak system is easy to understand, simple to install, and built for upscale illumination projects. But it won't cost your customers thousands of dollars per room. Instead, just a few die-cast metal engines and trims, plus a transformer or driver, is all that's required to finish a designer project with outstanding illumination and minimal ceiling interruption. We begin with our low-voltage light engines. The 12-volt oak light engines use a transformer to avoid requiring conduit and full-size junctions for an IC-rated installation. These engines deliver up to 700 lumens of light with CRI above 93. Each module is available with 38-degree beam spread standard or optional 28-degree spot or 50-degree wide flood. Transformers are available for electronic, magnetic, and 0 to 10 dimming options for 120 or 277-volt circuits. Trims are die-cast metal, available in round or square downlights, round gimbals, or square pull-down adjustables with 30-degree adjustability. Each engine is available in several color temperatures and trim finishes. Each transformer available for the oak system allows installation of up to 6 modules in a daisy chain. This will be enough to light a large bedroom, a long hallway, or a roomy office or a kitchen. The standard transformer option will fit comfortably into the installation opening for easy access for future maintenance as well as use in remodel projects. Choose options with electronic low voltage, magnetic, or 0 to 10 dimming. With the simple module and transformer, your IC compatible install is complete. For more precision or airtight installation, optional new construction frames and housings are available separately. Multiple frames are available to line up as many as 5 modules in a row for projects such as a wall wash, a gallery, a hallway, or a counter design. More recently, ELCO has released a line voltage version of the entire oak line. It's called our Oak Architectural, with options for increased 800 to 1000 lumen output, while continuing the availability of several beam angles, gimbal and pull-down adjustables, and multiple dimming system compatibilities. The round and square 120-volt downlights are available with 4 color temperatures, but also with dim to warm options. Adjustables are available in white or black finish, in 2700K or 3000K color temperatures. The Oak Architectural line uses a power pack styled differently, but still designed to fit into the same 2-inch installation opening for remodel projects and for easy future maintenance or replacement. Choices are available for either 120-volt or 277-volt circuits, triac ELV dimming only, or a combination of triac ELV and 0 to 10 dimming if desired. All options are IC rated for direct contact with insulation. Oak architectural modules are also compatible with optional housings and frames to allow for a more precise and clean installation for new construction projects. Choose either an airtight R60 housing for projects with blown-in insulation, a new construction frame with onboard driver choice, or one of the frames to line up from 1 to 5 modules in a row. For both the low voltage and line voltage oak system modules, there are a few additional options to mention. All modules can accept an additional hex louver or frosted diffuser accessory. Both versions are also available in trimless design for the cleanest and most contemporary installation. Choose white, black, or bronze finish. The trimless installation ring is sold separately for this design.